up, guys? I am so excited to finally let the cat out of the bag and introduce you to the Boho Hair Studio. So this is our brand new hair studio opening in Wembley, northwest London. We'll be seeing clients by appointment only, but also we will have stock in the UK finally of our top 10 styles. So not only can you get your hair done by me, you can also come in and just shop the products as well. So I'll be doing regular crochet, individual crochet, human hair locks and more, and I'm so excited. And this space, just let's have a look at this space. This space is straight fire. I designed it to be somewhere where you could come, chill and slay. So very excited about this, the Boho Hair Studio. Can't wait to see you. Booking is going to be opening soon and we can't wait to see as many of you as possible. I've actually really missed seeing my clients and my customers, so I can't wait to see as many of you as possible soon.